Will it work? Ice cold. Was in there 2 days. Let's see. Arctic Air. Mr. Arctic Air. Hello? It's on. What happened? Unplugged it. That's not cool. Oh, nice. Very nice. I like that. That's cold. It's very nice, actually. Very nice. I like it. This is my test. Except this blade's already broken. It's nice. And it's powerful. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I like it. Arctic Air, everybody. Put it in the freezer to filter it, and then it comes out ice cold. It's good for a little shed like this while you're remodeling it. Yep, it rotted. See, what I had was I had this air conditioner in there with the big tube coming out the back. This big tube, and it was coming into right into my floor. Started there where the white paint is and rotted the walls. Crazy, right? Last year's the roof. See the roof's all rotted? Yeah, tell me. This is a brand new shed. Sucks.